friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making some raspberry jelly. I have a ton of raspberries here that I picked from our raspberry bushes all summer long, and I just stuck them in the freezer for when I was ready to make some jelly. So we ate a whole bunch of them, and then these I put aside for jelly, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. So come on along while we get this started. Friends, what is your favorite kind of jam or jelly? Let me know down in the comments. All right, friends, so the only things that you need for this recipe are going to be your raspberries, some Sure-Jell, and your sugar. I'm going to be following the instructions that come with the Sure-Jell. So first thing I need to do is get together 5 cups of crushed berries. All right, friends, so I need to measure out 5 cups of our raspberries here. All right, I got exactly 5 cups. All right, friends, so the next thing I'm going to do is my 1 packet of Sure-Jell. And we're just going to sprinkle that in there and get our heat on and just go ahead and stir this in. All right, so we are going to let this go, stirring occasionally. We would need it to come to a full roaring boil that cannot be stirred down. And once we do that, then we can add our sugar. All right, friends, so while we're waiting for that to come to a boil, we need to go ahead and measure out 7 cups of sugar. Yes, that's a lot of sugar. All right, there we go. 7 cups of sugar. All right, friends, so this is now boiling while stirring. So now it's time to go ahead and add our sugar in. All right, and we are going to bring this back to a rapid boil. All right, friends, so now we're at a full boil and that I can't stir down, so we're going to do 1 minute. And stir, stir, stir for that minute. And see, it starts to rise. Don't be afraid, just keep stirring. Don't walk away, keep stirring. 20 seconds left. 10. All right, time. Turn off your heat and take it away. Woo, did it. All right, friends, so I've got my clean and sterilized jelly jars, and we're gonna go ahead and start filling up our jars. And you wanna make sure that you leave some headspace. All right, friends, so I've got some white vinegar, and we're gonna go through and we're gonna clean all of these jar rims. You wanna make sure you clean them so that there is nothing on them. You do not want any jelly on these rims, or else they just do not seal properly. All right, friends, now we've got to get our water bath canner ready for all of our jars. All right, friends, so I have my canner here. This is my pressure canner, but I will be using it as a water bath canner. The difference between a water bath canner and a pressure canner is water bath, you're going to completely cover your jars with water. So let me get them all in here and see how much more water I need to add. All right, so as you can see, my little ones are covered, but these ones right here are not. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more hot water to this canner. All right, friends, so now that the water is completely covering my jars, I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on, and I am not locking it. I'm not pressure canning this, I'm water bath canning, so I'm just gonna leave it with the lid on. Now I'm gonna wait until I hear it start boiling on the inside, and then I'll go ahead and put on my timer. All right, friends, so we've got our canner going. I can hear the bubbling, and we are gonna go ahead and start the timer for 15 minutes. All right, friends, so our timer went off and we're gonna go ahead and remove the lid. Be careful, this is hot. And we are gonna let this vent for 5 minutes before we go pulling out our jars. All right, friends, so it's been 5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and pull out our jellies. Look at how pretty those are. All right, friends, so we're gonna let these sit for 24 hours. Make sure that they fully seal. If they do not seal, you can put them in your refrigerator and use them, or you can try to recan them again. These will be shelf-stable jellies to use anytime. All right, friends, so we are all done. Our jellies are all done, and they look pretty good. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And it's really easy to do. If you have any kind of berries, you can do frozen berries, you can do fresh berries, whatever you got, you can go ahead and turn it into jam or jelly. So until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.